different terms, or the words, the fancy pants words that we're going to use. So you've now got official definitions of those. We're now going to look at powers and algebra. So, should have looked at powers before, probably in year 7. 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2. Now, we wouldn't usually write that in math. Mathematicians are lazy. We like to write things as shorthand as possible. So we would write that as 2 and then the small 5 next to it, okay, up in the air. Now, the big 2 is known as the base number. Okay, have you learned that before?
Yeah, no, we should go to school, but we kind of learn.
Okay, so we'll know now that if I said something's got a base, if something has a base of 2, that means that the big number is a 2. And this 5 is called either a power, or an index, or an exponent. So you've got 3 different ways of describing that number.
You might be in some purpose, but do you want to record this?
Oh, I was, wasn't it?
No.
Yeah, I am.
Oh! Did this disappear?
Yeah.
It just minimized.
Okay, so let's keep going. So we've got our base is 2, and our power, or our index, or our exponent is a 5. Okay, so this little number here tells us how many of them there are, and this tells us what is being multiplied by each other. Okay, so we can also use these when looking at algebra. So if I had A multiplied by A, multiplied by blah, 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 so on and so on, how could I write that? Azika? What's my base going to be? A. You can see it in front of you, darling. Turn over the page. 7. And where does that go? Down here?
No. At the top.
Oh, right, okay. And we would say that's A to the power of 7. Okay, so A to the power of 7. Now, there are 2 fancy words that we use, and that's not here in these notes, so apologies, but let's put it in this gap here. So if it's the power of 2, something is to the power of 2. We don't normally say it's to the power of 2. What fancy words do we use when it's to the power of 2? We've used it a lot. Lots of people have been telling me about it. It is squared, yes. So squared. And if something is to the power of 3, Abby, it's cubed. Okay? So they are the 2 fancy words that we use. But for anything else, we would just say to the power of. Okay? So if I said to you something is squared, you know that it's multiplied by itself. And if it's to the power of 3, if I say it's cubed, it's multiplied by itself 3 times. Awesome. Now, what about this down here at the bottom? So I've got a mixture of letters, and I've got a few different numbers. Right, what do you think we're going to write here?
2 times 4 times b to the power of 3 times c to... No. You can... Should you just see this, like, numerical and alphabetical?
Alright, so what was the first thing you said? C to the power
Of 2.
Okay. Now, so you change your mind because you want to write it in a different order. How do we say the letters coming in order? Alphabetical, good. So we've got 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by c squared multiplied by p cubed. So that's now in alphabetical order. Now, numerical. Now, actually, what we would do is if we had the 2 multiplied by 4, we would actually work out what that is. We can't do anything with our C and our P because we don't know what they are representing. But our 2 and our 4, we do know what that is. So we would actually work that out. What is 2 multiplied by 4, Georgie? 8. So I would have 8. Now, what did I say? I said mathematicians are lazy people. So what we would also do is ditch our multiplication signs. Okay? So we wouldn't write our multiplication sign. I would just write 8c squared p cubed. And that would be my final answer. Bless you.
That one looks very confusing if I saw that.
Now, well, so Kazika, you say it's confusing, but what's important is that you recognize that what this actually means is 8 multiplied by c squared multiplied by p cubed. So the rule in algebra is if things are next to each other, it means they are being multiplied. Okay? So if you saw 3g, this actually means 3 multiplied by 3. Okay? So if you see things next to each other, it means multiply. Now, in some cases and in some textbooks, just so you're aware of it, you might see something like this, 2.4. Now, this in maths, when it's at the bottom, also means multiplied. So that would mean 2 multiplied by 4. Okay, you learned that last year? Awesome. So that's not unfamiliar to you. So when we're talking about algebra, if you see things with a dot, it doesn't mean it's a decimal. The decimals would be up in the middle. So if it's at the bottom, it means they're being multiplied by each other.
Wait, so a circle with a dot in it?
Oh no, no circle. It's just like this.
Oh, so
I just circled it because I was stressing it.